Exploring the phrase, in my neighborhood. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you learn and improve every day. Today, we're exploring a common phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, in my neighborhood. Understanding phrases like this can greatly improve your fluency and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. In my neighborhood refers to the area close to where someone lives. A neighborhood is a part of a town or city that has its own name or boundaries. When someone says something is, in my neighborhood, they mean it is located near their home, within that specific area. This phrase can be used to talk about places, events, or even the general atmosphere of the area. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life conversations. 1. Describing places. There's a great coffee shop in my neighborhood that I visit every morning. 2. Talking about events. A new art festival is happening in my neighborhood this weekend. 3. Discussing people. I've met some interesting people in my neighborhood. By using these examples, you can start incorporating, in my neighborhood, into your own conversations to describe things that are happening or located near where you live. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few you might find useful. In my area, around here, close to home. Each of these can be used interchangeably with, in my neighborhood, depending on the context. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use and interpret the phrase, in my neighborhood. English is full of phrases that can add color and detail to your conversations, and mastering them can really boost your fluency. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using, in my neighborhood, in your next English conversation. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.